greetings to everyone. I'm Avni Shukla and here to share my review on AHPS school. My son Darsh Shukla is studying here in grade 1 and to be very honest, he's doing his extraordinary. I know you people will think, despite of having so many experienced schools in Nadiyar, why I have chosen this AHPS school. So the reason behind taking admission here in the AHPS school is my trust on this management. To be very honest, here all the teaching staff, even the activity teachers, are giving literally hard work to give their best of the best. Here they are following one concept which is learn with fun. And I've also observed along with that studying part, they are also allowing the extracurricular activities like sports, music, dance, skating, robotics, even so many indoor games. મિત્રો જો આપણી ચરોતરની ભાષામાં કહું તો જો તમારે ભણતરની સાથે ગણતર પણ જો તમારા બાળકને આપવું હોય તો AHPS સ્કૂલ બેસ્ટ છે.